Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can move an Excel sheet from an Excel file to another. So here as you can see, I have this invoice in this file or in this Excel workbook and I would like to move it to the second book. To do that, I have actually two options. I will go and click on the name, move or copy, and here I will select the other workbook. And here you can either move the entire or just create a copy. I prefer always just to create a copy, move to end, and as you can see, it's been moved there. The second option will be that we will just click, move or copy, and we will choose to move it completely. Choose and as you can see, it's been moved from the left folder to the right folder. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.